But if you insist to expand the double joint on link 5 or link 4, I cannot say you are wrong. You're wrong. But anyway, I prefer to explain that expand the double joint on link 3 will be the most reasonable. Okay, most reasonable. And expand the double joint on link 4 or link 5 will be acceptable, but not perfect. Okay, acceptable, but not perfect, to my opinion. Okay. So let's go back. 同学听懂哈？3号杆透过4号杆吊着，然后3号杆又衔接到脚架，我觉得这个解释很合理。那如果说你一定要再把那个双重接头在4号杆上或在5号杆上展开，我不能说你错，但是我觉得比较没那么完美。没那么完美，不能说你错，但是比较没那么完美，所以比较好的解释应该是3号杆透过4号杆吊着，然后呢3号杆再接到脚架去，因为坐垫接脚架，椅背接坐垫，坐垫接脚架，这是天经地义的事情嘛。Okay, so your seat back connect to the cushion, and the cushion connect to the footrest. That is reasonable. Okay, so totally acceptable. So 2 connect to 3, 3 connect to 5. Okay, and then 3 hanging by number 4. Okay, that's my logic. Okay. So go back. If you do this, you find that the ternary link, which is link number 2 is ternary. And if you expand the double joint on link number 3, and you find that link 3 is ternary. 2 ternary connected, and you have a 1 binary, 2 binary here, and the 1 binary, 2 binary there, and one of the binary is ground. Of course, 1, 1. Of course, 1, 1. No question at all. Okay. So after you perform the generalization, you should come up with what 1. If you expand the double joint on the seat cushion, okay, you get what 1 generalization. Okay. So how many links? You may count. Totally 6 links, 7 joints, 1 degree of freedom. Okay. 6 links, 7 joints, 1 degree of freedom. And the generalization is from original skeleton drawing to the expansion that resolve the double joint, and then remove the ground link and come up with kinematic chain. Remember, the result of generalization should be kinematic chain.